I am the Knight. I am Batman.
Hello guys, my name is Blu-ray and TDK, and today I'm going to unboxing the Flash movie on Blu-ray. Yay! So I got this from Best Buy, and yeah, this cover looks shiny. It looks cool, and you can see there's a 100th anniversary of Warner Brothers logo here. Yes, and here's a front, and here's a spine. And here's a back. Okay, and let me read it for the recap of the movie. So yeah, worlds collide. The Flash uses his superpower to travel back in time and advertently alerting the future, but will making the ultimate sacrifice to be enough to reset the universe. Oh yeah, all of this he talks about the Flashpoint. So yeah, and there's a mini special feature like explore the making of the Flash, Supergirl, and the return of the Michael Keaton as Batman. Also includes the original script broadcast story, The Flash Escaped the Midnight Circus. Yeah, that is the original script of the Flash. So there's a audio book of this. And this is a rated PG-13, of course. This movie takes 144 minutes. And the Canadian rating is PG. Okay. Okay, let's open up and let's see what's inside. Okay, let's put it down. Here's a front, here's a spine, and here's the back. Okay, let's open up. Very cool disc here. So here's the Blu-ray disc. It's yellow, it's very shiny. I like it. Yeah, I like the logo on the Blu-ray disc, but the Flash logo on the disc. So it's very cool. Okay, so now guys, thanks for watching, and please give a like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And yes, here's a Flash. See you next video. Bye.